Hey everyone! Welcome back to CarReview Hub 2025, the ultimate destination for car lovers who crave honest reviews, stunning visuals, and the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse of practicality and precision, the 2025 Hino L6, a medium-duty truck that's redefining reliability and performance in its class. Hino has always been known for durability and efficiency, but this time, the Japanese manufacturer has taken things to a whole new level. So, buckle up, because what we're about to explore is a truck that blends workhorse strength with modern-day comfort and technology. The moment you lay your eyes on the 2025 Hino L6, you can tell this isn't just another commercial vehicle. It's a bold statement of confidence. The exterior design has been refreshed with a more aerodynamic front end, making it look both muscular and efficient. The large grille proudly displays the Hino badge, flanked by sleek, angular LED headlights that not only enhance visibility, but also give the truck a more premium, high-tech presence. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into the robust fenders, while the wide stance communicates stability and strength, crucial for a truck built to carry serious loads. The L6 rides on heavy-duty steel wheels that are designed for both durability and comfort. And depending on the trim, you can get stylish wheel covers that add a touch of refinement. In the US, one of the most popular color choices is Summit White, giving it a clean, professional look that many fleet owners prefer. However, Hino also offers optional shades like metallic silver and jet black, which make it stand out even more. Around back, the taillights have been redesigned for better visibility and longevity, and the step-up platform provides easy access to the cargo bed or box setup. It's clear Hino thought about every detail that matters to businesses and drivers who depend on these trucks daily. Now, stepping inside the 2025 Hino L6, you'll immediately notice a major leap forward in comfort and ergonomics. Hino has upgraded the cabin experience with high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. The dashboard design is modern yet functional, with all controls logically placed for easy reach. The steering wheel is multifunctional, offering access to audio, phone, and driver assistance settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information on fuel efficiency, performance, and maintenance alerts, all with sharp clarity. The seats are another highlight. Hino has introduced a new suspension seat design that minimizes fatigue during long drives. These seats are wide, supportive, and wrapped in durable fabric that resists wear and tear. The cabin is surprisingly quiet thanks to improved insulation, keeping road and engine noise to a minimum, a big plus for drivers spending long hours behind the wheel. The air conditioning system is powerful and evenly distributed, ensuring comfort in any weather condition. And when it comes to storage, there's plenty of space for personal items, paperwork, and tools with multiple compartments and cup holders integrated smartly into the design. The infotainment system is equally impressive for a truck of this class. The L6 features a large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, Bluetooth connectivity, and integrated navigation. There's even a USB-C charging port for fast device charging on the go. Combined with a crisp sound system, this cabin doesn't just feel like a workspace. It feels like a mobile office built for productivity and comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Hino L6 is all about power and efficiency. It comes equipped with a 7.6-liter inline-6 diesel engine, producing around 260 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an Allison 2200 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear changes even under heavy loads. The truck's torque-rich performance allows it to handle up to 25,950 pounds of gross vehicle weight rating, making it perfect for delivery fleets, construction work, and municipal operations. The L6's air suspension setup delivers a surprisingly smooth ride for a truck in this category, reducing vibrations and improving stability even on uneven terrain. Hino's engineers have also optimized the fuel system, helping this truck achieve impressive fuel economy figures for its size, around 10 to 12 miles per gallon, depending on load and driving conditions. That might not sound like much compared to passenger vehicles, but for a medium-duty diesel truck, it's excellent. If you're thinking about future sustainability, Hino hasn't ignored that either. The company is actively developing hybrid and zero-emission versions of their trucks, and while the 2025 L6 remains diesel-powered, it's fully compliant with EPA and CARB emission standards, meaning it's as clean and efficient as diesel gets today. Now let's talk about the technology and safety that make the 2025 Hino L6 a standout in its class. The truck comes with an array of driver assistance features designed to keep both driver and cargo safe. Standard equipment includes electronic stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, and hill start assist. Optional advanced features include lane departure warning, collision mitigation system, and adaptive cruise control, which is a big step for medium-duty trucks. Connectivity is another strength. Hino's telematics system allows fleet managers to monitor truck location, performance, and maintenance needs remotely. This not only improves operational efficiency, but also helps reduce downtime by predicting service requirements before they become major issues. The onboard diagnostic system also makes it easier for drivers to understand and report maintenance alerts without complicated guesswork. As for pricing, the 2025 Hino L6 starts around $75,000, depending on the configuration and body type. The truck is available in several trims and customizable options, including standard, crew cab, and extended chassis setups, allowing businesses to tailor it to their exact operational needs. The higher-end trims can reach up to $95,000, especially when fitted with additional safety packages, premium interior options, or specialized cargo configurations. Hino's extensive dealer support and warranty coverage make ownership even more appealing, ensuring reliability and peace of mind for years of heavy-duty use. So, what's the final verdict on the 2025 Hino L6? Simply put, it's one of the most capable and refined medium-duty trucks you can buy today. Hino has successfully blended Japanese engineering precision with modern design and real-world practicality. It's tough, smart, and efficient, everything you need from a truck that means business. Whether you're running a delivery fleet, a construction operation, or a logistics company, the L6 delivers unmatched reliability and total value. If you're looking for a work truck that won't quit and one that keeps the driver in mind just as much as the job, the 2025 Hino L6 deserves to be at the top of your list. That wraps up today's in-depth review from CarReview Hub 2025. What do you think about the all-new Hino L6? Would you pick it over rivals like the Isuzu FTR or the Freightliner M2? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed car and truck reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another exciting automotive deep dive.